Well, it's a big day today. It's Friday, March 7th. Probably June before y'all see this video at the rate that I'm getting videos edited and posted. But I need to work on that. Anyway, we today, my boss, those of you who don't know, I do construction for a living. A lot of remodel, renovation, handyman stuff. We try to stay away from new construction stuff as much as we can, but something like this, doing it myself, I was like, yeah, I'll do this. It's been fun. Anyway, my boss is coming today. We got a rainy day, so I'll flip you all around here and show you what we got going on. So I picked these up last Friday. There's my two 12 by 14 doors. Over there is my door for there. And over there is my door for there. And back there is my door for there. So they should be here in, I don't know, 30 minutes or so. 30, 40 minutes. We're gonna start. I think we're gonna set up and do that door first, because that door and that door, they're both the same, but they're low clearance doors, which means like these here, a standard height door has a, like this here's I think what they call a 15-inch sweep. It comes up top of the doors like right here, and this here comes up quite a bit farther. As y'all can see there, I don't have the headroom there. And the other side's even worse. I'll go over there and show y'all that one and the reason why it's worse here in just a little bit. As for the reason why I've got worse headroom over here is because I did something over here the last couple days. Yep, I decided to go flat ceiling in this lean-to over here. It's gonna look better than having the angle. Over there, I'm gonna leave the angle just because that there's storage. But this over here, this is gonna be garage area, parking area. So I made this flat. And so there you can see I've got 5.5 inches right there, all the way across. But anyway, I'll, if I remember, I'll set my phone up for a time lapse. I really need to get me a GoPro, but I'll set my phone up for a time lapse when we're putting the doors in, and y'all can actually see it happen in super fast forward motion. My apologies. Apparently my video editing app for some reason is not letting me play music over just certain clips now. It plays it over the whole thing, so instead of having music playing over the whole thing in the background, I guess there just won't be any music over the time lapses. So sorry for the inconvenience. One of these days I'll do some more exploring into video editing and maybe get a little bit better at that. Well, one step forward, 3 steps back, or whatever that was that 3 Days Grace sang. Theory of a Dead Man, not 3 Days Grace. No matter what I do, I'm always mad. It was 2 steps, but we'll say 3. So we got that garage door installed. Looks real nice. Real nice. And we got that garage door installed. Well, let's hear that masterpiece one more time. Pardon Will's bellyache. And discovered that the ceiling's too low. I need 7 inches of clearance. I have 5 1/4. As you can see, the spring sticks up that there was the bottom of my ceiling. And I don't have enough headroom out here. The door's gonna hit the ceiling as it goes out. So, I guess I'm gonna start wailing away and tear out all of this ceiling and redo it. Really sucks, but I guess it is what it is. I best get to it. Sawzall blade broke. I'll be right back. Well, that's a wrap on that. I guess I should have just done that to start with, honestly. I thought about it. This was one of my ideas that I thought about doing it this way. Bring it up and go flat across. I'm gonna add blocks over here. Angle. Yeah, angle pieces over here to where it matches this. I'll actually probably have to take them all the way up because the 2x that these things are sitting on right now is just temporary. I just screwed those 2x's on out here. That's gonna come off then. But a little catwalk up there if I leave that there. Probably not. But that's it. We're gonna call it a night. I'm gonna go in the house and come out and probably work on garage doors tomorrow again. See if I can get them all, at least get them all stacked and get a couple of them functional maybe. We'll see. Morning. It's next morning. And today, I guess I'm gonna work on garage doors. I think I can, with the lift, I think I can get these things stacked in pretty much by myself. But that's what I'm gonna work on anyway. And at least get them stacked in. I don't know if I'll get the top rails in, but we'll see. Who knows? See what happens. I'm not gonna set a goal for what I want to get done today because every time I do that, it doesn't happen. One of my former neighbors, when we still had the farm, he used to tell me, I told him one day that it's like, didn't get near done what I wanted to get done. I told him what all I was wanting to get done and told him, I gave him the list of stuff that I wanted to get done. Then I told him what I actually did get done, and he was like, you need to learn to set more realistic expectations for your day. So today, I'm gonna try to get one door stacked in. That's my goal. If I get more than that done, cool. But anyway, I'm gonna get started. Well, my apologies on that last time lapse. My phone died. I really need a GoPro. Taking those time lapses because my screen's on the whole time and it just drains my battery. But anyway, oh, there you can see the one lean-to door. I'll flip this around. Sun looks nice on the windows. I'll flip this around and show y'all finished product. And there it is. Get that metal on the front. That's gonna look real nice. The tracks, we didn't put the tracks up on the big doors. We just stacked them in there. I'm about to go in and work on these little doors, get the springs all, try to get the springs all hooked up and get them wound up and stuff where these things will open. I'm not sure if I'm gonna work on this one first. See what I can get done, but yeah, I'm liking how it's shaping up. Also, as y'all can see, it's starting to get fairly dark outside. There's a decent amount of light. It's showing up brighter on the camera than what it actually is. But there's a decent amount of light coming in through there yet. But this right here is the reason I wanted to do these, all the windows and the doors, one for looks, two for the natural lighting, and also all the windows up top, because it's, like I said, it's showing up brighter on the phone than what it actually is in here. But it's not bad, and it's already getting, I mean, the sun's down and down behind the trees and stuff. But let me set the camera here and I'll plug these lights in. Yeah. I still got 3 more of those things to put in here. One there, one there, one over here. So it's gonna be nice in here. Nice and bright. But it's a mess. It's an absolute mess in here. But it's part of it. Anyway, I'm gonna go over here and start working on this thing and see if I can get that door to, see if I can get at least one of these lean-to doors to function by the time I quit for the evening. Well, so much for working on the doors. I forgot
these brackets, the cable goes in there. I need a pin that goes through there and holds that bracket, or holds this cable in place, and I don't have them. So, only thing that's open around here right now is Tractor Supply. So I guess I'll probably be making a run in there sometime here shortly, but I'm gonna work on, I got 2 outlet boxes to put in back here in the ceiling for my lights in this lean-to. I've got all my outlet boxes up over there. I might work on pulling wires over there for my other lean-to lighting. I think maybe that's what I'll do until I go get I'll go get the pins here before too long, and probably after Ziva goes to bed. I've been the last, I think, 2 or 3 nights this week after we put her down for bed, I came back out and worked for a couple hours from like 9:30 to midnight. So I might do that again tonight. I can work on that door then, but I'll work on other stuff for now. Well, it is now a trip to Tractor Supply, 4 pieces of pizza, a couple glasses of milk later. I've got my hardware that I need for my cables. Ziva's going down for bed now. It is 10:15. Temperatures have dropped, and guess we'll see what I can get done. Well, it is 12:27, as in, you know, it's dark. It's after midnight. I could keep going. I've got the energy currently to keep going, but it's time change tonight. So it's actually like, by tomorrow morning, by the time I wake up, right now is like 1:26. So I'm gonna be exhausted tomorrow, or today, whatever, however you wanna look at it. So I think I'm gonna call it a night. This stupid door fought me, and fought me, and fought me some more. But I did get it done. It opens. It functions. The lock works. I hope if I'd get the string on the right side. So that's cool. 1 out of 4. These here just, you know, they look functional from the outside. But anyway, that's it for tonight. And yeah, I guess we'll hit it again Monday. We'll work on those tracks over the doors there Monday and see what we can get done. Well, I think that's a pretty good spot to end this video. Couple things to add to it as a conclusion. We did not end up working on the tracks the following Monday. That last clip was shot 15 days ago. Last Saturday, 8 days ago, we got the, if you're looking at the front of the shop, the right door, the right big door, got that thing finished and functional. Yesterday morning, I got the other lean-to door functional. So we just got the one big door to finish yet. But, so 3 out of 4 on the front are done. I just didn't have it. I didn't film any of that when we were finishing that stuff up, but
I've heard that's a good place to stop. Keep this video all about one thing instead of showing the progress of stuff that we got done this past week. And I will get to editing that, I guess, and probably post another video here in the next couple days, or maybe next Sunday, I'm not sure. But thanks for watching. Consider liking, subscribing, leave a comment, leave a question, compliment, criticize, whatever you want to do. Yeah, I guess y'all can see me next video, I guess.